Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist to organize your tasks and boost your productivity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your preferred browser and head over to Todoist. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your tasks and projects. Once you've logged in, give it a moment while the system loads your dashboard. You'll soon land on Todoist's main interface where all the magic happens. This is your central hub for managing everything you need to get done, and from here you can create, organize, and track all your tasks efficiently. Now, let's create your first task. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu with several tabs and functions. Look for the Add Task button and click on it. This will open up a small window where you can configure all the details for your new task. This is where you'll set up everything from basic descriptions to more advanced scheduling options. In this window, start by typing in a description of your task in the designated field. Be specific about what you need to accomplish so you can easily identify it later. Next, if your task has a deadline or specific date you want to work on it, click on the Date button to schedule it. This ensures you never miss important deadlines and helps you plan your workload effectively. You can also add attachments to your task if you need to include reference files, documents, or images. This feature is especially useful when you want to keep all relevant materials in one place. Additionally, take advantage of the priority settings to mark how urgent or important each task is. You can also set reminders, so Todoist will notify you when it's time to work on something specific. Once you've configured all these details and you're satisfied with your task setup, click on the Add Task button at the bottom of the window. Your task will now be added to your projects, making it easy to track progress and stay organized. You can view all your tasks in one place and check them off as you complete them. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Todoist to create and manage your tasks effectively. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.